Hello everyone! Today's recipe is the second last video in our Navratri series. To participate in the Durga Puja giveaway, just subscribe to our channel, like it and leave a comment down below. Today's recipe from New Delhi is a mishmash of all. It's moderately spicy due to the various masalas being used and also has a rich and sweet taste to it because of the cashews. So let's get into making this no onion and garlic baby potatoes recipe. Start off by making a puree which will be the base of this dish. In a blending jar, put 3 inches of peeled ginger, 2 large diced tomatoes and 3 soaked green chilies and 10 to 12 soaked cashews. These cashews and green chilies were soaked in warm water for half an hour before making the puree. Blend everything into a smooth paste. In a bowl, prepare a spice mix using half teaspoon turmeric or haldi powder, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon amchur or dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder or zira powder, half teaspoon black salt and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This ketchup is without onions and garlic. Mix everything into a lump-free paste using 1/4 cup of water. In a non-stick kadai, heat up 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Now gently put 350 grams of boiled and peeled baby potatoes into it. You could also use regular potatoes. Just pressure cook them with enough water and salt for up to 5 whistles. Peel them and cut them into medium-sized cubes. Saute the potato on medium-high flame and then add 1/4 teaspoon salt and a pinch of turmeric. Mix gently and keep sauteing for 5 to 7 minutes or until the potatoes turn slightly golden. Once done, take out the potatoes. In the same kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of refined oil or desi ghee. Put 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it caramelize. Then add 1 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon whole cumin or zira, 2 bay leaves and a small stick of cinnamon. Once the whole spices start to crackle, lower the heat and pour in all the tomato and cashew puree that we had prepared earlier. Saute for 2 minutes. Then use a cup of water to clean any remaining puree in the blender and add it to the kadai. Continue cooking on medium flame for up to 7 minutes. Then add the spice mix along with half cup of water and mix well. Cook this gravy for 10 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring in small intervals. Once the raw smell of the masala goes away and you can see oil floating on the sides or surface of the gravy, then add in the sauteed baby potatoes. Mix gently, otherwise the potatoes might break. Add half cup of water and mix well. Now let the potatoes cook on a medium-low flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes. By then the potatoes will absorb all the flavors of the gravy and our dum aloo will be ready. Finally, just before serving, mix in 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. The thickness of the gravy is completely up to your likeness. We kept it semi-dry. Our Dilli wale dum aloo is ready to be served alongside hot parathas or puri. Enjoy! Bye-bye!